Hey y'all, it's your girl Tiana Home to be me. Now I'm coming at you with a quick little breakfast recipe. Something that you can make starting your journey on trying to eat better and stuff like that on your weight loss journey. So what I'm going to be making is some smothered sweet potatoes. Instead of the white potato, I'm doing the sweet potato. So I'm going to do some smothered sweet potatoes, and I'm going to do some sausage. You can do turkey sausage or whatever. I still have pork sausage out, so I'm going to be using my pork sausage. And I'm going to make some eggs. And that's what I'm going to be having with mine. So I'm not going to mix the sausage in with the sweet potatoes, but I just wanted to come on and do this video just to give y'all an idea of some of the stuff that you can have. So most definitely substitute for whatever it is that you want to substitute for your meat and stuff like that. You know, don't add onion if you don't want to. We like onion. Me and my grandma, we do. So I'm going to add onion to mine. But I want to say welcome to all my new subscribers and welcome back to all my faithful loyal family members. So with this, you're going to need your onion. Ooh, that onion is potent. Got my eyes burning. Alright. So cut your onion up. Dice it up real good like that. And then you can use as much onion as you would like. Ain't nobody trying to tell you what to do. I'm just giving you a guide as to what I'm doing. And then you just go from there. So I'm dicing up this onion. Then I'm going to peel my sweet potato and I'm going to get it diced up. I'll come back and show you though. Alright, so I got my sweet potato peel. So now I'm just going to take it and I'm going to cut it up. Just like that. Okay, so I got it like that. So now cut them as big as you want them. Like that. And then you just get them in some water. I'm just gonna do mine like that. I ain't going for no too small cubes. It's gonna cook. Just like that. You can cut them in circles if you want to. It ain't gonna matter. Just get it cut up. Take that. Okay, let me turn that down because my pan is heated up. So now what I'm gonna do is, first thing, I'm gonna take a little oil, whatever kind of oil you choose to use. I'm just gonna add a little oil to my pan, like that. And then I'm gonna get my onions over there in the skillet. Cut them up, like I said, however you want to. Alright, so I got my onions on the pan with a little oil, like that. So I'm going to add the sweet potatoes. Right on in there with it. just like that. Get it all coated with the oil. I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. And I'm gonna cook these until they fork tender. Yes, you can take your lid and put it on there to help with the cooking process, to cook it down and get them tender faster. So that's what I'm doing, like that. And this right here is gonna be so much better than eating those potatoes. This for you, Tika, because you know you like smothered potatoes and onions. And Big Baby. And probably more, y'all. So try it with your sweet potatoes. So I'm going to let these cook a little bit. I'm going to get me a lid and I'm going to put it on here. And I'm going to let these potatoes cook in this on low so that I don't burn my onions and stuff like that. I'm going to let it cook on low until my potatoes get tender. When they get fork tender, I'll come back. Alright, y'all. So I got them. I didn't add no water, no more oil, no nothing. Only thing I did, I put the lid on them and I cooked them. So now what I'm going to do is, I tasted one of them, but they're not as sweet. So I'm going to add, that's probably about a teaspoon of brown sugar right there. And so I'm going to get this here mixed in into the potatoes just to bring back a little bit of the sweetness. Like that. I'm going to put some cinnamon on them. I like cinnamon on them. Hold on. So I'm going to put a little cinnamon on them. Like that. And they almost done. I still have just a few of them in. That's just a little bit of little hard. But I kept my eye down on a little bit past medium. It's on like medium low. That's what I got it on. Like medium low. And so I guess that little sugar should be enough. I'm not trying to really make them too sweet, but I do want just a little sweetness to them, you know. So while that's going, I'm gonna get now this here about done. I'm gonna start working on my sausage. Get my sausage cooked. Y'all can do turkey sausage if y'all want to. I still got my regular sausage, so I'm gonna be using regular sausage. So yeah, I made sure when I spread them out, I spread them out in an even layer, you know, so that all of them is touching the pan. And they try to cook a little evenly. You know, some of them bigger than the other, so that's why, you know, it's not all cooked even. I'm gonna add just another little teaspoon. So maybe about a tablespoon of brown sugar. These sweet potatoes that I had, y'all, they was not sweet at all. No kind of sweetness. You know how sweet potatoes, they have their own little natural sweetness. It ain't have nothing. Alright, so I'm going to put the lid back on that. And then I'm going to work on my sausage. Alright, y'all, so I got my sausages. And I got them cooked up, just like I want them. So we're gonna do us a fried egg to go with it. My potatoes, they done. I'm gonna take that sausage. I'm gonna just put it over here in this pan, keep them warm while I do my eggs. Just like that. And now I'm gonna do my fried egg right there in that same pan. Put that oil and I don't like the I don't like to add salt to my fried eggs. They already be salty enough. I mean, they get too salty. I'm talking about salty enough. They get too salty to me. So, only thing I like to add in my fried egg is some pepper. And that's it. So, I'm going to get those fried up. And this breakfast is about ready. And I'm going to drain those eggs on a paper towel to get all the grease off of them and stuff. Right there. Just like that. And I like to bust my yolk. I don't like no runny yolk. I bust my yolk, y'all. Let that yolk get done all the way through. So we're gonna start plating this up while we're waiting on it to get done. Paper plate game. Paper plate game. Hey, paper plate game. One time, paper plate game. I gotta do my picture plate though. So I'm gonna get some of these potatoes. Put it on my plate. Like that. Like that. Right there, right there, right there. Yeah. Keep these onions over there on that one. Then sausage. Like that. And then we're gonna get to the eggs. So they're done. Get that one cooked just a little bit more on this side. Whew. Just like that. Just like that. Hold up. Put that up on there. Like that. So that's our sweet potatoes with some sausage link and fried egg. I hope y'all enjoyed this recipe. Peace, love, and many blessings to each and every one of y'all. And until the next healthy, somewhat healthy, better eating, how about that, recipe, I'll see y'all in the next video. I love y'all. And y'all have a good one. That's it right there. If you try it, let me know. I'd love to know what you think about it. Alright, y'all.